You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV. This is part 2, phase 2 of the cooking journey. Alright, I'm going to add some beef stock. Yes, some beef broth into the jar. Alright, my friends, this is what it boils down to. Alright, these are the remaining seasoning. We're in part 2, phase 2 of the cooking journey. So we have here to my left, we have bell peppers, and in the center I have onions, some sliced onions, and a little bit of green scallion and hot Scotch bonnet pepper, and then I have some carrots and some chopped up onions. Yes, and then over there I have ketchup, A1, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and sea salt. Yes, and of course the remaining seasoning here, butter and oil. That will be using more because I have enough in the pot. So you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV. This is part 2. Phase 2 of the cooking journey. Adding the rest of the ingredients in here. Alright, I'm going to put my carrots in. And chopped up onions.
ketchup. And I'm gonna put some water. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm adding some water. So that is the rice. That rice is cooked. It's ready. We're going to start. Yes, it is cooked. It is cooked. It is cooked. And it is ready. She is ready. So. Rice and peas and jerk pork, modified jerk pork, Jamaican style. Yes. Alright, now one last thing to put in it. One last to go into the jerk pork. Alright, I'm just going to put a touch of this in it. Yes, just a touch. Because I have to watch myself. Alright. Normally, if I didn't have this health issue, it would be a lot more go into the sauce. A lot more. But I need to be very careful here. I don't want anything to send my pressure up. Yes. Okay. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery International TV on the YouTube platform in my cooking lab. Yes, we're in part 2, phase 2 of my cooking journey in my cooking lab on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, we're coming down to the wire, to the finish line to wrap this up and complete this journey here today. Take some of the tanginess from the A1 on the ketchup. Yes. Alright. That's my final. So all this seasoning that typically we would put in, they came in the special jerk sauce. All of it was in the jerk sauce. So you may not see pimento seed, but it was in the jerk sauce. All that was ground up into the jerk sauce that I put in here. Alright, next time I'll fry the pork. Alright, so this is a different version of it. This is the stew jerk pork. Yes, what they call it, stew jerk pork. Rice and peas. Alright. So this is pretty from the pot to the plate. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, this vessel is for my neighbor. Yes, for my neighbor. It tastes fabulous. So I hope you enjoy it. Yes, this is for my neighbor. Yes. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. This is part 2, phase 2 of the great journey in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, one plate is mine. This is my plate over here. Yes, that is my plate. Yes, jerk pork stew. Jerk pork stew, Jamaican style. And rice and peas. Indian style with kidney red beans. Yes, you're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV International. Alright, my friends, please like and share. Yes, like and share my video. And you can share some of the food for yourself from the plate, from the containers. Alright, and tell me